What just happened?
That's exactly the face you make when you can't get results for your client and don't know what to post. I don't even know what that's the face when looks like when you're taking. All right. What do you do when you find your client? So here we go. Let's see if we can hit this in 1 minute or less. So what you gotta do when you generate content is, or to get them results, you gotta do three things. Shout out to Billie Jean for all this, and then I just want to put this out here because I know it's just driving you crazy. All right. So one thing is entertain, educate, execute. Entertain. Why? Because people don't go on social media to get sold to. People go on social media when they're on laying in bed, lying on the couch, when they're bored. People don't want to see all this propaganda, ad stuff like that. So number one, entertain. Number two, educate them. Educate them why they're viewing it later on in the video or post content. Explain to them why they're reading what they're reading. Inform to them what they can do. So number three, that brings me to my point three, execute. Ask for the sale. Don't be afraid to leave, not to mention it. That's what's gonna get you money. That's what's gonna get you paid. So you learn three things. Number one, entertain. Number two, educate. Number three, execute. All right, good luck to the best of y'all. Before I forget, I am having this course out for sale. It's not out yet. I'm still not done. I'm putting everything together piece by piece for you guys. But if you guys do want inside of this free PDF explaining on the three E's, more detail, entertainment, like just a step-by-step guide and with examples, I am giving out that for free. If you just comment down below, it's like right down there. It doesn't take longer than a minute. But if you guys are interested, I will have more content generated for you guys. YouTubers, influencers out there, brand makers. Everybody needs a little guidance on step by step on how to do things. Hey, I've been there, done that. I've asked for help. Don't worry, you're not alone. But check that out. Peace.